Yeah, hi, dear aspirant. Today, we are going to see how the Olga Tellis case defined the right to livelihood regime in India. Now, when we talk about the fundamental rights, most people they think of big dramatic cases like Keshwanand and all. But sometimes a simple human story can change the meaning of the constitution forever. So, have you heard about that story of Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation judgment of 1985? The case that have transformed the right to life into the right to livelihood. Now let me take you to the Mumbai of early 90s, when thousands of pavement dwellers and slum residents were facing the eviction. No home, no security, no alternative. The city argued they are the illegal occupants and the illegal migrants. But Olga Tellis, an intellectual journalist, asked a very deeper question that if you take their shelters, how will they survive tomorrow? The Supreme Court listened to this intellectual argument, not just with legal reasoning but with huge compassion. And it made a very historic declaration that right to life under article is meaningless without right to livelihood. Because life is not just taking the breath, life is to live with dignity. Life is the ability to earn, life is the ability to work and to feed your family. The Supreme Court, the Apex Court, said something very powerful that if the state destroys a person's means of living, it destroys their life itself. And that singular line expanded the horizon of Article 21 from the stereotypic right into a living, breathing guarantee of the human dignity. But here is the brilliance. That Supreme Court also acknowledged the state's duty to manage public spaces. So it struck a very harmonious balance. Yes, eviction may happen, can happen, but not without rehabilitation, not without notice and human treatment. So Olga Tellis didn't just save homes. She reshaped the Indian constitutional law. She ensured that the poorest citizen is not invisible, not in the eyes of the law, not in front of the constitution, and not in the conscience of the republic. And that's how dignity became a fundamental right. Thank you so much.